Electrochemically activated solutions, or ECAS, have been around for centuries, from the earliest forms of batteries to generating oxygen on the International Space Station. ECAS has been utilized in an assortment of different applications. So, how does PathoSans differentiate itself? What is the advantage? The key is in how the system works and the cell technology. Contrary to popular techniques, the PathoSans cell is submerged in a concentrated sodium chloride bath or salt bath. Once softened water enters the system, the tank begins to fill with water, the salt dissolves, and begins to surround the cell. The PathoSans unit always assures the cell remains wet and will not dry out. As we take a closer look at the cell, we can see two chambers: the negatively charged cathode that is responsible for making PathoClean, and the positively charged anode that is responsible for making PathoSide. Water is then allowed to enter the two separate chambers and the cell is energized. Once energized, the positively charged sodium ions migrate toward the negatively charged cathode, and the negatively charged chloride ions migrate toward the positively charged anode. Just like magnets, opposites attract. As the ions travel toward their respective chambers, they must pass through a special ion-selective membrane that only allows specific ions into the chamber. In essence, the cell is filtering out the salt solution before it can do the necessary electrochemistry to produce the two output solutions. This assures a salt-free output in the highest purity chemistry possible. Traditional electrochemistry that pumps or injects salt directly into the reaction chambers rely on complete conversion of the salt to produce a salt-free output, but processing inefficiencies make that virtually impossible to achieve. By comparison, the PathoSans units assure that these inefficiencies are captured in the brine tank and never affect the cleaning, disinfecting ability of its outputs, making the PathoSans Advantage a highly pure, highly effective set of cleaning and disinfecting solutions.